Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based on Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. The reason why we're here today guys is because what I want to do is show you how to remove text from an image. Okay, as you can see here, I have my top layer. At the moment it's not highlighted with the eye section. If I turn that on, you can see I have modified that image to remove that text. And what I want to do today is show you the simple step-by-step process that you'd need to follow to achieve such effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is remove that top layer by just coming to the bin option here and deleting the layer there. And what we have is the original image. Okay, using my lasso tool, what I'm now going to do is come through and make a very loose selection of the elements that I would like to remove, i.e. in this instance, the text. Okay, wonderful. Now with that selection still live, I'm going to go to Select and Color Range. We have many options here to decide upon here. The options that we would like to be using are highlights. And let's press OK. And as you can see now, what that's done is select all the text that we need to remove in a couple of steps time. Now with that still selected, I'm now going to go to Select again. And we're going to go to Modify. And we're going to say Expand. Expand by 2 pixels is pretty good range at the moment. So we're going to leave that at 2. And let's press OK. And yet again, with this layer still live, what I'm now going to do is go to Edit, Fill, and make sure I use the Content Aware options within our Contents options and press OK. And let's now deselect. The shortcut to do that is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. And there you have it, guys. That's how to remove the easy way to remove text from an image in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about our school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, we have a really cool social media account at Blue Sky Graphics UK on Instagram with some really cool information and some really talented work for our dedicated students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.